Julia and I, we became best friends when we worked together at Kenny's a few years ago. Our friendship from the very beginning was so much fun. I'm sure we annoyed everyone around us all the time. We didn't care because we were just so happy to be together. And the funny thing about our friendship is that for about the first year that we knew each other, we didn't really like each other. And I wish that we had gotten over our disdain for each other so much sooner, because we wasted an entire year missing out on this amazing once-in-a-lifetime friendship.
Jake and Julia united as one as amazing friendship together for me and many others. Jake has a passion for life, and especially for Julia, the kids, and the rest of the family. Julia is such a special person. She lights up Jake's eyes when she enters the room. She listens, loves him unconditionally, and is a great friend.
Julia, growing up her whole life, she was always... I won't cry. Yes, I will. She was always so good at everything that she did. Other people that would come into her lives, I was never big fans of them just because of that they never saw who Julia was. You finally found somebody who sees who you are. He loves you for everything that you are, and I'm glad that you guys have the rest of your lives to spend together, discovering who each other is. And I believe that he will make you the best version of yourself. And I believe that everything that's been inside you for so long, and everything that's so wonderful that nobody else saw, he'll see it.
Jake, before you and Julia met, when we were single ladies, we would sit on our couch late at night after work. We would drink red wine, and we would talk about what we might want in our lifelong partners and what we might want in love. Julia always knew what she wanted, and I think that's because she never got what she deserved in love until she met you. Everything that she's ever wanted, she's found in you. You two complement each other so well, and I know that your love is so real, and I know that you're just good, and I can see it in the character of your son and the love that he has for your grandson. I can see it in how you loved and accepted Julia's children as your own. And I can see it in the happiness that Julia exudes. You make her smile, but you do more than that. When she's with you, you make her glow.
You're my best friend. I'll do anything for you. I love you.
You're the first person I can't wait to come home to and talk about my day with. Wherever I am feels like home if you're beside me. That's how I knew that you were the one I found home. You're my safe place, the arms I want to stay in forever, the one I love without a doubt, without reason, without inhibition, because I am the best of me when I am with you.
You may now kiss your bride.
Not done.
Not done. Not done.
No.
Here we are, on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming to life. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this.
I would move mountains for you. And I'm so incredibly humbled and delighted to be celebrating your love with you today. Today, I want to wish my best friend in the entire world, and Jake, obviously, the happiest ever after that anybody could wish for.
I can't take it in. Here we are, on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming to life. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. In moments like this.
So like when I met Jake, we were staying up a little bit late so I could meet him. Nobody knew he was a secret guy who brought donuts to the door every day. Nobody knew. He was very goofy, and instantly I was like, he's a keeper, Mom. Don't let him go.
Here we are, on top of the stars.
And now that we've like actually grown to know each other, we've been through some things together, and now like I would trust him with anything.